For this Technical Corner, I'm joined by ZEISS, and we're going to be taking a look at the all-new Prismo Fortis and look at all the technological advancements in this product, including the surface finish measurement capabilities. Now, welcome, David.
Good morning, Gio.
David, before we start, the Prismo has been around for some time now. Can you give us an overview about the Prismo family?
Well, this backdrop that's just appeared here is the perfect tool for me to describe this to you. You have the standard Prismo down the end there. The standard Prismo is basically a workshop type system, a high-end workshop type system with an MPE value of 0.9 of a micron. Then we go to the Verity, which is here, which is a gauge room type system, which has an MPE value of 0.7. Then we go to the Ultra, which has an MPE value of 0.5 of a micron. That's more of a calibration type machine. And then we come to the Fortis, which is our shop floor hardened Prismo. That has an MPE value of 0.9 of a micron.
I mean, that is some tolerancing, really. I mean, what kind of components would need that kind of tight tolerance, David?
The Fortis has been designed and developed not for a specific type of component, but for a specific type of environment. Where the Fortis stands out from the other machines we have in our range is it has an operating temperature of 18 to 37 degrees standard, but if there's special requirements by the customer, we can actually increase that to 40 degrees.
And what is the reason behind the revamp from ZEISS?
The reason behind the revamp is it was recognised, and it's been recognised for a long time, that there's always a need to have a metrology system that's closer to the line, more in line or at line as opposed to being remote from the line, thus improving the productivity and efficiency of the manufacturing environment our customers that work within.
Do you know what kind of productivity and efficiency gains you would get from this in kind of a percentage?
When looking at current technology and including the surface finish technology that you referred to, which is our Rotor System. Now, giving a brief overview as to what the Rotor System is, it's our surface finish module that actually sits in the probe rack. It can be picked up mid-CNC program, so after the dimensional and form checks have been made, we can then put the relevant probe head away, pick up the surface finish module and go on and then actually inspect the surface topography of the different features required. Now, where the efficiency gains come in, not only do you get them from that type of setup, but you then don't have to take the part away and move it somewhere else and put it onto a more conventional type surface finish setup. And going back to the efficiency gain that you just mentioned, in studies that we've made, depending on the application, we've actually had efficiency gains of up to 70%.
I mean, that is huge. I mean, to be able to check the surface finish of the component as well as the tolerances, it is a huge thing. You're kind of saving on operations, I would guess. I would guess that you're saving on floor space of having to have different equipment on your shop floor. You can do it all in one operation. Is this unique?
It's not unique, but it's something new for ZEISS, and as you know, or as you can see here, with the Fortis having the ability to sit in these more volatile environments, it gives you the additional flexibility that our customers are looking for.
And this combined with Calypso vast programming, you know, what again? Can you explain what this is?
Well, as part of the Prismo range, you get additional modules within our core platform, which is Calypso. Those core platforms are something called VAST Performance. VAST Performance enables you to scan at much higher speeds than you would conventionally. It enables you to take points at a far more efficient rate. You've got the Rotor System encompassed in that, and we also have something called Fly Scan that enables you to scan the circumference of a circle. It doesn't have to be a continuous circumference. It can be a segmented circumference, where under normal circumstances you'd have to scan the portion that you're looking for, come away, come back in, scan again. That makes things very time consuming, but with Fly Scan you can just scan all the way around extremely quickly, and the complex algorithms we have then do the assessment as to what it doesn't need and what it does need, and spits out the correct result for you. Again, just using Fly Scan as an example alone, you can get up to 40% time savings on measurements.
So is really, you know, when we're looking at the new Prismo Fortis, is it all about efficiency gains? Is it about making the consumer, the customer, more efficient and more productive?
That's exactly what ZEISS is always looking to do. It's always looking at what the customer's problems are, looking at what their pinch points are, and looking at ways and means of fixing those problems. The Fortis ticks all of the boxes.
David, we've touched upon Calypso, but what about the actual programming of the Rotor? Is there any changes in how you would have to program this?
As already mentioned, Calypso is our core product, our core software programming environment. And let's not forget that the Prismo Fortis and all of the other Prismos in the range come with our MACH technology, which is multi-application sensor system. Yes, that enables the systems not only to take the Rotor System, which is our surface finish module, it also gives the ability to take passive and active tactile systems, all non-contact systems as well. And regardless of whatever sensor you have attached to the machine, the programming environment is Calypso, and the methodology behind programming is exactly the same.
Cheers, David. Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you.